So guys, I'm finally gonna go ahead and put the DDPai mini dash cam back in. I haven't got around to putting this in, and I've had some close calls, so as you guys know, I highly recommend getting a dash cam. I just put some new double-sided tape on it. Got to put it back exactly where I had the other one. Seemed to work really well under the radar here, or the camera. Doesn't hang down too low. It is below the legal line, but again, I've never got popped for that. I'm going to channel the wire down here, just like I did before, so it's nice and clean. Then I'll come down here under the glove box and then in, so I can just plug it in. Like I said, I can't stress enough how you guys should have a dash cam. A lot of crazy drivers out there. It will definitely help you guys out. If you're in an accident, if it's not your fault, you know, you have to go back and forth. It's the proofs in the footage. So let me go ahead and hook that up, and I'll show you how I routed the wire. Okay, guys. So here's where it sits. It's hard to tell just because of the glare on the window, too. I like it. And these are, the one I got's really small. I mean, they have so many different ones here. But this one's about 40 bucks, so it's not going to break the bank, and it's 1080. See the wire here? I just went into the headliner. And it comes down. I shoved it into this pillar here. And then shoved it in the crack here. And then came down here. You can see it right there. And then I just tucked it underneath the weather stripping. Okay. And then I brought it down below the glove box here. Just use some double-sided tape. Those little holders that I have. And then ran it here on top of the little side console piece. And then I just put some tape there just to hold it. And I'm happy with that. Only thing I have to plug this in. And you have the little wire that's draped around the side. But I just plug that into the USB port. I like it because it's clean. I know some of you guys are hardwiring them. That's awesome too. Because then they record 24 hours a day, which is awesome. I just got to plug it in here though. Like right here. So it minimizes the mess. So again, just wanted to tell you that, like I said, it's been a while since I've had this car and I still haven't put it in. So I thought now's the time before I get in an accident, something happens. You know, it's like I said, it's great to have. It's peace of mind. You don't have to go back and forth if you're ever in an accident, whatever it is. You know, they're great, and this thing's super clear. Check my other videos if you want to see footage of it, for sure. Okay? So I just wanted to share that tip with you guys. If you don't have one, highly recommend it. You don't have to spend a ton of money. They're all really decent, have a good picture, and they'll definitely help you if you need it. Okay? Hope everyone's staying safe out there. I'll have another mod video coming up shortly, so please like and subscribe and check back. I appreciate that, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.